Hey everybody, and welcome into HelenKennard.com. I'm Helen Kennard, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Please say hello when you get here so I'll know who it is that I'm crafting with tonight. I'm running a little bit late because I forgot. I forgot but didn't. Like all day I knew I had a Facebook Live tonight, and then I got so busy that at 6:45 I realized, oh my gosh, I've only got 15 minutes. So, have you ever been that busy? Um, so, what I've decided to do is show you a card that I made in our techniques class on Monday. And I had someone that wasn't able to come, so I usually will go ahead and have someone do their card. So I've got a kit already done, so I grabbed it and I'm going to show you how cute it is. It is just really cute, and it's going to be a lot of fun to show it to you. But before we get started, again, I wanted to remind everybody about our kit sale. I was going to have a kit here tonight, and like I said, I forgot all about it, though I kept looking at it all day saying, yeah, that's the one I'm going to show tonight. And then before I knew it, it was 15 minutes. So anyway, our kit sales are on sale this week, and that's so exciting. And you want to go online and look under online. No, you want to go to Kits Collection. It's not our paper pumpkin, it's our Kits Collection. And you'll see all the kits that are on sale, anywhere from 10, 20, or 30% off. So that is so exciting. A lot of my customers have gotten their catalog, their mini catalog. That'll start in September. So I've got mine this week. So that was a lot of fun to be able to actually see the hard copy, because as a demonstrator, you get to see it a whole month in advance. You get to order it a whole month in advance, so that we get to grab it before some things go on back order. So it's great to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. But look at this card. This is using the construction zone. Let me show it to you. Who can guess why I got this? I don't have grandchildren. Can anybody tell me? Hey, Diana. Thank you for sharing. If anybody can tell me why I got this, well, it's because my youngest son works in construction management. So I was so excited when I saw this that I had to get it for him. But anyway, it's a really cute one. We have lots of grandchildren in our customer group. This is funny. I think just about every customer I have has a son. So that's funny, isn't it, that somebody could use this in our class. But look at it. Isn't it really cute? Now watch. Ta-da! So we're in the birthday zone. So it's such a neat fold. It's a fun fold. And I wanted to go ahead and show it to you while I have an extra one. I'm going to set that one right there. And we're using our watercolor pencils. So we have two groups. One is the just watercolor pencils, and this one is watercolor pencils assortment 2. So I use both of these on mine anyway. But why don't we get started? I'll have all the measurements for you on my, there it is. Whew. On my blog tomorrow. So be on the lookout so you can see where to put all the folds and the cutting and the designer series paper. It's really easy. Have you ever done something like I heard this musician say one time that he could not get up and just sing without his guitar because, he just has always sang playing his guitar. And so I came in here and looked around and could not find my um, adhesive mat, my silicone mat. And I feel the same way about that. I almost feel like I can't craft unless I have it sitting here. I had to look, and then finally ran out to my prepping station and grabbed that one because it's weird how you feel like you've got to have that mat sitting right there. Now the designer series paper that I'm using tonight is the birthday. Oh shoot, what is it? The birthday balloons. Hey, Kathy. And so we're going to start off with our normal size card, and then we're going to score it there, fold it back, and then put our designer series paper on. Okay, so we're going to make our mechanism that's going to make it so that it moves. See that? See how it moves? It's this mechanism right here. Y'all may hear that saw going out there. We're having, after, 10 or 12 years, I pulled up the carpet in my living room. It's the first room you walk into when you come in, and I have always wanted to have hardwoods there. So my youngest son, before he left, he pulled up the carpet for me. Okay, now watch how I'm doing this, because this is the tricky part. See, we've scored it so that it's going to end up looking like that. But you want to fold it in half. One of my team members showed me this easy way. I was doing it the hard way all this time. So this is so easy. Thanks, Penny. Appreciate you showing us. All right. Go ahead and put some liquid glue. I use liquid glue right here in the middle. And go ahead and close it. Then we're going to turn it over. And put the glue on this side. You don't want too much. You don't want it running all over the place. Then it won't stick. Anyway, so I'm having my hardwood floors put in, and y'all, it looks so good. The whole downstairs is hardwood, except for that living room. And I was like, I want hardwood. There you go. Look, perfect. All right, this is a 2 by 1.5. Anyway, that's what that is. Piece of basic white. We're going to put some glue right here and put this there. Do you see how that is? Okay. So we're going to put the glue here. Now, again, you don't want it all over the place because then it'll stick to places you don't want it to stick. So just set it there. I'm going to close it. That kind of helps it set. While all that's drying, let's go ahead and get our circles. These are navy, and I use the Stylish Shapes to cut those. All right. Now watch me not have any of my, no, whew, there they are. Let's see. I'm going to have to remove some from last time. I'm sorry, you guys. I feel so bad that I had forgotten all about this. That makes me feel really crazy. All right. All right, well, now we're going to go ahead and put our vehicles. Now this one I put down some because we're going to put a present right here. So I want to make sure I had plenty of room. This one I put up a little bit because we're going to put, you know, one of the, I don't know what kind of construction. Now I don't like that. I want the whole thing. Did I put it up too high, didn't I? Maybe that's good enough. Oh yeah. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so this one is going to have our saying, which is birthday zone. Hey, Naomi. And I'm going to put it this way, but up some because our little man is going to be down there. And I want him down far enough that the balloons will be able to go up that way. And he's going to have these little cones. Might as well put another one right there. Okay. This one's going to have, you know what, I think I'm going to put this one right here. Just because it's thinner. It's a thinner line. Whereas this one's got plenty of room for these. Telling everybody this way. Aren't these cute? Okay. We just need a couple of things. One is a present. One is the balloons. And what was the other thing? The balloons, the cone. I'm going to put one of the cones up. That's what it was. Okay. Let me close that. And get out the fun stuff. Look at all these fun colors. They even have black and white. All right, so red balloon. We're gonna. Oops, this looks. What color is this? Yeah, it says real red. Now, with the watercolor pencils, I wanted to remind you that the harder you press, the darker it gets. So if you want to outline something or shade it, I mean, then you make it darker by pressing on it. Let's see, yellow. Let's see, we have to have a purple. And we need a green. What's the last color we need? Red, blue, green, yellow, purple. What am I missing? All right. said orange already, didn't I? Let's go with a darker color. There. Alright, well now we need to color the... Now see, I'm going to press here and press here because I want my present to have, you know, a darker shadow like there. And I'm going to make the bow green. Let me see, these are orange. All right. Let's go ahead and keep coloring. Okay, I like these little things to be orange. Watercolor pencils are a lot of fun. They're real easy. You can, I'm going to use some black. Where is it? Here it is. For the wheels. They're, you know, you get a lot of color for the price. And that's another thing that I really like about watercolor. If you're new, pencils are a great way to go. Now that I got my black out, I'll do all the wheels. Is everybody using their coupons from last month? Okay. Black. Let's see. I'm going to do blue. Again, I'm pressing there because I want to kind of make sure that's but a lighter color here. I know some of you have seen my reels that I have posted. I've got another one I'm going to post on Monday, so I'm going to try to get them posted on, you know, let Monday be my day to post reels. So y'all be on the lookout for them. All right, let's see. Are these yellow? I think they're yellow. I'm going to put these yellow, directing everybody to this way. All right, the cones are, I think, are orange. All right, so I made him, now my son's vest that I saw is yellow with orange stripes, I think. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like a fluorescent orange, yellow. There. So I'm not coloring in the whole thing, just, you know, the things that we would notice. And I'm just, we don't have dyes for this. It's a little bit sad. But these aren't so bad to cut out. You know, they're not really intricate or anything. That's going to go right there. And cut out the balloons. And again, you want to have some white around. Ooh, we've had some hot weather here. Yesterday was 103. No, or Monday it was. And I walked out and thought it was going to take my breath away just to check the mail. Okay, that's going to go in his hands. And this, I've seen some really cute things that people have done with this set. So it's a really fun set. See, it's not so bad to cut this out. There you go. All right. Clean up a little bit. I'm going to use these small ones. Let's see, maybe I can get that on there. Yep. Okay, these small ones for the mini dimensionals. Up. And the present. There you go. All right, the present is something that he's carrying. The balloons is the foreman. I think he's a foreman. That's what I think he is. And the balloons are going to go that way. And then the little cone. Should have put the birthday zone over that way a little bit. I'm going to put right here. There you go. Ooh. All right. So everything's dry. Do you see our extender here? That's where this is going to go right here. We're going to put it on first. We don't want it to go past that because it's, you know, there. Isn't that cute? Okay. I'm going to put some glue right here. And let's see where we want it to end up. Yeah. All right, right there. Let's let it dry for a second, and then we're going to put these on. Now you have to be careful about where you're putting. Oh, and I sat right there and said that right. We only want glue on this side. And I sat right there and put it on you. Click, click, click. I was just telling y'all not to put it everywhere. You have to be careful. And so what am I doing? Okay, so we just want it on this side. Ooh, caught it just in time. Okay. Up. No, this goes on here. Whew. We do want it all over because we're going to put it right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, on our Night of Navy. Oh. I am getting it everywhere. What did I do with that? Where's my Night of Navy? There. I forgot to put some on the back of this. And I add it to it. There. All right, now remember, we only want it on this side. There you go. Look. Isn't that a sweet, sweet card? Pink, yes. Yes, Kathy, I didn't think of that. Pink. I should have gotten pink. What do you think? Isn't that just the cutest little card? And so easy to make. I hope y'all enjoyed that. And again, I'm sorry I got so busy I almost forgot. Y'all would have been looking for me. Anyway, all right, everybody. Well, I hope y'all had a good week. I did and am. And I guess I'll see everybody next Wednesday at 7 o'clock. If y'all have any questions about any of our sales or projects going on, certainly let me know. Be on the lookout for my reels that I'm doing. If you want a catalog, just touch base with me. I've got my contact all over the place. If you're watching on YouTube, because I'm streaming over there as well, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps me out. And if you're watching on Facebook, go ahead and follow. That helps me so. Look at that, I did those opposite. Well, that's all right. But anyway, it's just helps me so much when y'all support me by doing that. So, all right. I hope y'all have a good week, and I'll see y'all next Wednesday. All right. Take care. Bye bye.